Throughout the first weeks of this course, the focus was on the role of the producers and consumers in a market economy. This week, we will focus on the role of the entrepreneur. Specifically, we will highlight the distinctive role played by the principled entrepreneur, and we will show how crucial that role is to overall economic growth and prosperity. Imagine a world of perfect knowledge and information in which producers and consumers act and interact with the same guiding force, self-interest. The consumer constantly seeks to purchase the goods and services that deliver the highest personal satisfaction using market prices and the constraint of income. At the same time, the producer continuously identifies the optimum course of resource allocation capable of delivering that bundle of highly valued goods and services to the consumer. In doing so, the producer earns the greatest profit. If markets are free and individuals are omniscient, fiercely competitive producers expect to earn zero profits in the long run as the price per unit of output equals cost per unit of production. Even in this world of perfect knowledge, changes in relative scarcities brought by new consumer preferences, population shifts, technological advances, and more result in price adjustments across the markets. Consumers and producers signal to each other the new relative values placed on commodities, services, and resources in light of these shocks. In other words, economizing consumers and producers systematically adjust and find their new courses of action. Life goes on after the market hiccup is over. They assume that market prices reveal all pertinent information, so when exchanges take place, they are mutually advantageous. In a world of certainty, there is no role for an entrepreneur. Consumers and producers have what they need. Or do they? After all, the world is not perfect. When we relax the assumption of certainty, the world drastically changes. When we introduce imperfect knowledge, we are confronted with highly complex situations, and uncertainty follows in political, social, business, and economic affairs. With imperfect knowledge and certainty, we find that consumers and producers are now less than perfectly informed and no longer all-knowing agents. They are unsure which paths will lead to the greatest satisfaction or highest profit margins in this world of risk, uncertainty, and imperfect information. A multitude of expected opportunities exist for both buyers and sellers. Market signals are less than perfect. As a result, an opening for entrepreneurs emerges.